Take two. So this is how you eat ugali, with your hands, not with a fork or knife. All right. Sukumawiki, something like that. I'll get the name right. All right. We are going to saute.
Saute, chop onion, tomatoes, and cut up the kale or whatever green vegetable equivalent you can find.
Yeah.
So I chop them up, wash them already.
We don't know what kind of vegetable this is, but at home we use
I
chai
have no idea what this is actually.
But it's just green leafy.
Yeah, we saw in the market that one lady bought 2 bags.
Yeah.
One big bag like this that we just bought is what was it 50, right? 50 leg, which is about 25 cents. Yes.
Euro, yeah.
Yeah, about 20 cents euro. You can never get anything for this kind of price in Singapore.
Any kind of vegetable.
So, well, not for this amount.
Well, we are
for
just
20 cents, I think the vegetable storeholder might send you home packing. Yeah.
Alright, so the onions should be finely chopped, which I'm not doing a good job at it. But okay. And we are going to put in the onions along with the chopped tomatoes. The tomatoes here are okay, but the one Macedonia was nicer, huh?
Yeah, the one is homegrown, so much better.
Alright. So, on a little bit more.
So onion and tomato all in.
Yeah.
Saute.
Clean as you go.
Oh, no.
Then we put a little bit more oil because it is too little. It's I'm gonna saute it until it's like what, dry? What do you call it? Like until it's brown.
I don't know, we'll show you. The best, right? Show how it looks like this.
Yeah.
Don't need to describe.
It's hot. So, I think I'm gonna put a bit of salt first. Moroccan salt is the best.
Yeah, it is really the best. It's not salty. It tastes good on the food, and you just want to eat more, but then you don't feel thirsty after eating it.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's fantastic.
The best.
So, you put in the vegetable bit by bit. Voila. Can you? Wait. This is not the best apparatus that we have.
Maybe you should use the other one, which is bigger.
The what?
Or the pot.
Wait. No. Because the vegetable will shrink.
I know.
Okay. We actually don't know portion of the vegetable here. And we just gonna stir it and dry it, like fry it. Not frying, saute it until it's really
Like yam chai, if you know what that is.
Yam chai? What's yam chai?
Salted vegetable.
Ah, yeah. Because it will shrink.
Okay, after 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Keep stirring the
It
vegetable.
fries a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the food is ready.
Let's taste. Onion. Sorry. How is it? You taste?
You try. It's okay?
Yeah. You try. Right. Huh?
Vegetables.
Right. Okay. Alright, so this is how the ugali looks like. Although I don't think we get the best maize for ugali, but this is the maize flour.
What are we making?
Ugali, hopefully.
Oh yeah, we need a light.
Yeah.
Ugali is something we learned from Kenya.
Yeah.
You can turn off that.
Oh, yeah. So this is from the maize flour. Nice.
So you buy maize flour, corn flour, but not the starchy corn flour, but the one that has got the maize picture on it.
And then boil water. Put this bit by bit. And then we just stir it, add it on until it becomes starchy like this. And then I think it's done. I think.
And you eat this with?
Sukumawiki or something like that.
We'll show you later. Alright.
So you take a piece and do it like this. Oh, it's got a big piece. Right here. Right. Bismillah. But so the verdict is you can use any kind of greens, chisim, whatever this green is. Kale is what's suggested. And what else? How is it?
Yeah, it tastes like what we eaten in Kenya.
Yep. How's the maize? How's the ugali? This is the ugali.
The ugali is nice.
Yep.
And so is the vegetable.
Alright.
We don't know what vegetable is, but
it works. Alright, bon appetit.
Wee.